Okay, now my mom is gonna start doing the things. First step, we're gonna use the glue. Tape it on the paper. Make sure it's all sticky, even on the sides. Flip it over, stick it on the box. Just like
This is what we need for the next step. So this is our ocean bottom with lava in there, and this is also the basement for our volcano. We're still going to paint outside. Now we mix the glue and some water. Making volcano.
if you want, you could put some color.
Do you have glue in there, in that cup?
Yes. Sticky and wet. If you want, you could put color, but you need paint to put color. To make it colorful. Because I put pink. I can show.
Make sure you wait until it's dry. After that, cut out the crater for our volcano on the top. Will look like this. Now we place this small bottle inside our volcano. And it's ready. Okay, we're going to use baking soda. Where is Anya? I forgot Anya. Where is she? I need your help.
I'm here.
Let's put 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Come on, let's go. We are adding some paint.
Come on out.
Maybe it's enough?
Okay.
Okay, some red paint, and we're adding some vinegar, apple vinegar. Okay, Anya, just maybe half. Little bit more. Okay, good. And mix.
Mix is a very old paintbrush that you don't use.
Wow! It's volcano eruption! Ah!